I come to congratulate you and to tell you something you likely already know, how very fortunate you are to welcome Jim Ryan as your 9th president. Jim has an uncanny ability to build trust, to unite people across divisions and differences. He motivates those around him to emulate him in putting principle and purpose at the heart of our shared endeavors. Jim Ryan is ready for this moment because he has lived the power of education.
What really makes Jim unique and different is his extraordinary compassion and decency. Jim is one of the kindest and most gentle people you will ever meet.
How he is as a father, if you're talking to the UVA students, Jim is a really good father in all the classic ways, in that he connects, he's sympathetic, he's strong, he's a good guider. Jim will be an empathetic president, and that, I think, is comforting both to students and faculty in the university community.
I now install you in the name of the Rector and visitors as the 9th President of the University of Virginia. Congratulations to you and to the University of Virginia.
So one piece of advice I received was not to make this speech a sermon. So today I'd like to talk about faith. More precisely, I'd like to talk about faith in the unfinished project of our university. To conduct research is to have faith in the power of discovery even before the discovery has been made. To teach is to have the faith of a parent, knowing that you're helping to prepare students not just for their careers, but for their full lives. To be a student is to have faith that what you learn and the relationships you build will enrich your life in countless ways. What stitches these acts of faith together is a profound belief in the future, in the idea of progress. Progress towards a more prosperous, healthier, just, and peaceful society. And progress toward lives that are more meaningful, purposeful, and passionate. The University of Virginia is, in a sense, as is often said, Mr. Jefferson's university. But it is also, even more so, your university. It's our university, which means it's our responsibility to preserve what is best about this place and to shape its future with boldness and creativity. I hope you share my faith in the future, which is in many ways nothing more and nothing less than my faith in all of you. Friends, my running shoes are laced up. I am ready, with your help, to begin anew on this unfinished but glorious project that is the University of Virginia. Thank you very much.